Hi, welcome to How to Fix It Workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to prevent these cabinets from being opened by a little one, like this.
Am I good?
No, no, no! These have two parts and they're real easy to do. You take this this first part, you go about an inch from the side, so we'll peel this backing here. We'll just stick that right about there. And then, once that's in place, there's a backing on this little yellow piece. Take that off, close your cabinet, open it back up, and now if you want to point over this way, so see this. Now you take this larger piece, you take the unpeel the sticker on that, and you follow this little guide, stick it in place, and then this yellow piece you take right off. Now you have a lock on your cabinet.
No.
And to unlock it, you have this little key. Hold it there, unlocks. There you go.
Go. All right.
See? And she can't open it. So that's how you do it. Pretty easy job. You can check out more of our videos, howtofixitworkshop.com, also on YouTube. And if you want to look at this product, this Safety First magnetic locking cabinets, you can check out the link below this. Either if you're watching on the site, below the article, or if you're watching the video, check out the link below.